You're full of glassy.
I tell you, some eye sick from blood clot, but I go host in a BRT and you will be a blood clot friend, you will be my friend that me eye sick.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. You don't have to worry, we are going to put with the description of the video say. So stick around, this is just an intro video, so you know you can remember to subscribe and like. Yeah guys, so I think it was around week before last, sometime in December after Christmas, when him friend, you know, got gunned down by officers in Grand Spen. You see me, so I make sure make it clear so them just, you see me, execute my friend and with them want to do me man. Also, the young man also make it clear say yo, him deserve better than this, him the ghetto hero. Him not deserve to be not jail. You see me all in a one part. You see that song when they drop people, I know it a go but me hear the people them talk about it. You see me? And so far word for word I would have give it. You see me? Guidance out there in Jahsii. Anyways guys, so up next we are going to talk about RT Boss and the local mix up where did I go on. You know people between Facebook here and him, when it escalate, get Romeich involved, different people. You know say no shame in the game, you know guys. You see what I go on now, you see what I go on for yourself.
You see, every step of my life, Instagram and my real fans them see it. I can't put on show. And I can't come by so come grab on. You understand? I can never do it. Because you don't bail me. You see me? That's how I not plan to do. And that's why I rate me because I talk the truth. You're full of glassy.
I tell you, some eye sick from blood clot, but I go host in a BRT and you will be a blood clot friend, you will be my friend that me eye sick.
Who are you?
No you. Pussy the day same day about Romeich, how them to put you as hosting and this and that and what back or something.
Where you at? Over Romeich building?
No, me there one little
right now?
me there, you know, say a sing crew from boat, man. Me there one little place, man.
So Romeich,
because remember say from a week I'll be a hold on, man.
bash in Jamaica?
I'll be a OBEAH thing me area talk about, so me have to just come and buy a lane to come set up, make sure so me good and get me ring. To make a run about there.
So Romeich, can I talk to you about a business to rent a place to keep a bad mixture at your place in March?
No, me don't want nothing bad around there. No bad mixture, no nothing bad. Imagine me think to me your friend. You may say you chat too much, man. One thing you try to get dry.
Eh?
I want to know if your friend and you come and make man from Africa work over for me.
Romeich, you see it? That's why I can't agree. I tell the man to left you alone until I'm ready.
But you make the man make call, brother. The man put me in the system, brother. Make the man make call, brother.
I one thing you can see, say you drink soup a lot.
Saturday, at Jamaica, you know what thing go. So I pray, I go on for the live. I see what's on the way to get back and make them buy badge here.
I want to see
I first never see you have a badge thing, make people buy badge. I want go on.
Where you say?
First me ever see you buy badge. I want go on.
No, Instagram come out and start put up a badge without we asking, we tell them to.
Man lie.
Marita, Instagram start put up a badge without, because me no remember putting up the badge.
Eh. I'm actually in the military. Full of badge.
Eh?
I'm a full in a... So, yeah, man,
I don't sell talent. This is my talent. I'm born with this, so God said. To
so, yo. It. Oh, yeah, RT boss I go studio go on the friend again now. I want
me RT boss and no friend. I surrender, because I war the two. I can't hear what go on Romeich. Me not give up in a war. And me not surrender. Me RT boss, I'm not the people that want to feel like me RT boss and no friend. Me RT boss and no friend, Romeich. You hear me? I murder people and dash them down and fling them and go suck.
Boy, I never know say so much thing could have come in a one person fridge.
No, Romeich, let me tell you what go on. They can't use me. And when they can't use me, here, it come like, it's a mad them.
Yeah, but what may I say, what you do with so much something in your fridge?
Eh?
What you do with so much something in your fridge? Your fridge loaded more than a supermarket.
No man, you are going.
You get food stamp now. I finally tell him I'm homeless.
Oh, you get the food stamp them.
$3.50.
So where buy the wing there?
Eh?
Where buy the wing there?
Romeich, if you didn't know, I am the first Jamaican artist to sing about a bird.
Look at it.
Remember, Romeich, no other Jamaican artist sing said, I'm the bird. Remember,
Yeah.
I'm the bird. I am the first Jamaican. Romeich, you know, say I used to be quoted in Jamaica about 4 or 5 times. I want to now give me ratings.
No, man, I rate you, man. Come
No,
on, man, I go
you're
wicked.
general.
So when you go weak?
Yo, now Charlie Black's to sing on 6 bars, you know.
Lie.
Yeah, Charlie Black's to sing on 6 bars song. Me was
Cross over now. No cross over now. No cross over now, man.
Romeich, me and Charlie Blacks give me song. 6 bars, give me a song. Me not tell about my rhythm. Me talk about the tour with it on the song.
Collab.
Big,
Then, brother, you not forgot buy boy level ring put by your hand now, brother.
Eh?
You not forgot buy boy level ring put by your hand. How much finger you have?
No, because you are going. Me can't wear ring.
Yeah.
Me not too like ring.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause
Stop it from
when
teeth.
I go in my pocket, I like go for my pocket. And me's a boy with teeth, I'm accurate and I straight.
Yeah. Are you fired the gun? I'm sure you fired.
Eh?
Are you fired? Are you fired?
Rapid burst. Any boy where you see a bus gun, Sir Romeich, I eat at them. No gun,
Yeah.
no bus, so. All time
Yeah.
bad man them, that's how we got bus gun. Rapid burst.
Chip.
Eh?
Pussy, right. Chip.
No, when police roll over with chip over here, I get whole for years. Me no walk with them somebody. Me a petty thief. When me got jail, me must come out that 2-3 days. Hey, Romeich, when police roll over here with chip, you know, them just put up so I 5-6 year over here, you know, Romeich. Me I tell you, you know.
Yeah, the corrupt them just going there by a weekend out again.
Romeich, here we go now. Florida fuck up in a Romeich. Because Florida can know so they catch you with 500 gun and you come out of money. But me go in and want house go thief. They hold me for 4 or 5 days. Say me a menace to society.
Lie. Menace or menace?
Menace to society.
Okay.
Romeich. Yeah.
Yeah.
You say you have your green card now, true.
Brother, I want to take my green card for man. I not left Jamaica, man. I'm a citizen of Jamaica.
Look, miss not on my friend life, man. What go on with the Romeich?
But not go on with me, one. Where want to go on, brother? And every day I go look chirpy. You think me a bird?
Where that go, my friend? Yesterday, I see a post picture say, a slim man around world, like you're slim now and ain't sitting. What do you? Talk to me, you know. You can't talk to me, you know.
Talk to me.
Talk to me, man. You can't talk to me, Romeich. Anything I go on in
Don't talk to me, brother. Everything good, brother. The only thing age I get for me, you know me, I get all.
Yeah. Actually, there's something the way I do what I'm a rate.
Which one?
That's my dream. We get rich and just carry my family from beer. Adventure. You understand? 2 of them over here flying America one time I feel like I can just spend $1 million and go back on my yard.
So you don't can do that, man. Remember first class of travel. I travel with 4 and 5.
Romeich, let me do that for 1 year straight. Next year I'm homeless. That's why I'm not put my basket on me and can't reach me, can't keep up.
Nah, just remember me I talk in front of people, man. So when I get the real powers and have the real links, I must put you in a movie, brother.
Eh?
I say I must make you go in a movie, you know.
Not true, me G.
I just hope so you can read the script when you get the movie script. Because that's the only problem. I know you can't act.
No, that I go mash your Romeich. I have to go get me a part when I play dummy. Romeich! Can I read it? I can fuck me up in the
Hey, boy,
I have to just get me a serial killer in I show. I just idiot. When me just get on 1-2 line, me just did you act like idiot. Cause I reading part I go kill with Romeich.
Yeah, I like that.
I go mash me up.
Somebody with stomach. Somebody with stomach.
Yeah, something stomach. You see me? You let's start me getting that show, it better for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. But boy, Romeich, I come over here, come make myself some badge, do respect and give thanks to you, my father.
Yeah, my brother, man. I want to tell you, man. People them love your thing and not even with me, and people them love your car. Hold on, man. Listen up. Other night, me there, me yard, my brother. And when me I watch you go out with the fucker, you cook, you bake, you go for the bird, you go for the wheat, me brother. I hear it, me not laugh here, me laugh in my ball, brother.
Yeah, true.
Clot. You're great, man. You're great.
Yeah,
you're a legend.
Yeah, man, one night.
People don't want to give you justice, but I can tell you this, brother, you're a legend. Remember say, the people them don't even know, say, remember say, me go so and go Wull a colored mask and make you stop with the mask, you know. You know, tell the people them. Remember say, when they go yellow mask and green mask and something, and say, yo, Romeich, I run my image, man, I cut it out. And you forgot to tell the people them that.
Yo, Romeich, I respect you, because you never grow up. I think you're my G.
No, man, I'm a G, man. All you getting your feeling sometimes, my brother, but we know you're human, though.
No, I'm not getting my feeling, man. You know. You just malice me sometime and I give me a link for y'all 3-4 months. Me not hear from you.
Yeah, can you tell enough lie to me, not like liar?
Come lie to you with.
Yeah, tell me say I come link with a mall and not come nowhere. We call you a show and tell you if you come a show, then after that you go up on live and tell people we not call you.
Romeich, you know, so I just some my, you know,